Hi guys, welcome to your very first tutorial on learning PHP, which is a server-side language. Okay, basically is you have your HTML file, you have your CSS, you have your XHTML, JavaScript. You don't necessarily need JavaScript yet just to learn this language, but this is server-side. So when you make HTML pages and use your CSS and you have it all fancy, you need to be able to go to a server. If I need to submit a file, if you want to log in to join a site and to remember your password, how is it done? With PHP. That's what I'm using, which is also connected to PHP MyAdmin, which has a MySQL database, and we'll go through all that in future lessons. So basically what I've done, I've opened up a file here. I've called it index.php. Now I'm using Mamp, right? That's my server connection. You can see up here I have Apache and MySQL server running, and there's my start page right here. Okay, so that's what I'm using here. Now, when you make your file in Mamp and you save it to your drive, you open it up and look for htdocs. Open htdocs and make a folder, and in that folder is where you save all your projects. So I've saved this one here, index.php, in htdocs, index.php in Mamp. Okay, now to print something out in the body, you need to put the PHP. Without these PHP tags, it will not run. And if I run that, this is what I get, my first PHP. Notice there's no tag showing up, nothing at all. This is going to my local host, and this was printed up. My local host is what's on my computer, right? So it's coming back to me. I can change this maybe, and hopefully the computer won't freeze, and we could just backspace that just to show you. And we can go back in here, and hopefully it won't freeze, and we can refresh that. And we should lose that, and yes we did. So it's still connecting to my local host on my computer. So to sum up on your first lecture here on PHP, download whatever one suits you. There's Mamp, Wamp, Xamp, okay? Do your same thing, doc type HTML, open it up, save it as an index.php. Open up htdocs in whatever host you're using. I'm using Mamp, so I opened up htdocs and I saved my folder in there, which is htdocs here. Right? Inside your PHP, echo just means to print.